Acutrack's book printing and fulfillment model is a unique model. I can assure you it is going to help improve your sales, make your life easy, and most importantly, satisfy your customer. We have a wide range of book printing options. You can just about integrate with any shopping cart or marketplace you decide to sell, and we help ship your books globally. No matter where you found us, through a referral or through search engine. We are so glad that you are here to learn about Acutrack, and we are here to help you.
At Acutrack, our client satisfaction comes first. We understand that as a partnership, your success equals our success. And we're very happy to be able to serve you in many different ways. Our flexibility to do print jobs, short run or long run, are something that you can benefit from way more than any other place else. We also have flexibility on different things such as fulfillment, drop shipping, and many other varieties of things that we can do. But again, what our most important focus is that our customer satisfaction is at 100%.
There is no doubt print-on-demand sounds so much better in sales presentation. However, the reality is very different. When your customer places the order, they expect the orders to be shipped instantly. But with the print-on-demand model, your customer's order goes to the print queue first. So it's not unusual to see 5 to 7 days delay before the order gets printed and shipped. But with Acutrack's model, it's very different. We pre-print the books first and store in our warehouse. So when your customer places the order, we ship the order instantly. There is no delays. The experience is so much better with us. So our clients are so happy because their clients are happy.
As your fulfillment and print partner, we take the responsibility and allow you to focus more on what's more important. Creative things like sales and marketing, or also creating unique advertisements for your customers. We have clients who often add bundles or create upsells for their customers. Getting creative and creating these types of things allows you to communicate and connect more with your customers. At Acutrack, we're in the background, making sure everything goes smoothly for you so you don't have to worry about that. Again, we're more of your partner than we are a service provider.
The beauty of working with Acutrack is that you always have someone guiding you. Once you sign up with Acutrack, you will have the entire team at your disposal. You will have an account manager to walk you through the process. You will have a tech support team to assist you with the e-commerce store integration. You will have a graphic team to review all of your book elements. And last but not least, you will have a project manager to ensure a smooth completion of your project. If you ever try to set up a book printing and order fulfillment without people to help, you know how complicated it can be. But with us, you will have everything set up and underway with a minimal investment of your time.
Our system at Acutrack is very advanced. We are already connected with many e-commerce platforms. Whether it is shopping carts like Shopify, marketplaces like Amazon, subscription platforms, or marketing funnels like ClickFunnels, form builders, you name it, we are already connected to it. Even if you have a newer platform and that has an API, no problem, we can connect to that too. So the integration setup process at Acutrack is so much easier.
We have revolutionized the way how print-on-demand industry works. In current POD space, there are many gaps, primarily cost and the speed to things get done. In our model, we understand you have an ever-changing business needs. Someday you need small volume, other day you need large print volume. So we can cater to, in our model, you generally decide based on how much books we need to produce based on your forecast, and we provide you the right solution to get the job done.
Lots of time running a business, you might end up wearing many hats. This prevents you of spending time with your family or taking vacation. So having a partner with Acutrack on your side will free up your time. Our goal is to give our client more time to do things that they love to do. For example, recently we have a client from Houston, Texas. He was able to take a vacation after he partnered with us. You will be free to keep writing your books and building your business. Acutrack will handle the rest.